Hello everyone! Today we are going to look at some common words we use every day to talk about amounts or quantities. What's interesting is that each of these words has a percentage that shows what it really means. For example, if we say everything, it means 100%. If we say nothing, it means 0%. And there are other words in between with their own percentages. Let's go through them and see how they compare. Everything. Most. Many. Some. Few. Barely any. Nothing. Now let's go through these words one by one and see how we use them in everyday conversation. Everything. This means all of something. For example, I understood everything the teacher explained. Most. This means a large majority, but not all. For example, I finished most of my homework, but not all of it. Many. This means a significant amount, but less than most. For example, many students in the class like reading novels. Some. This means about half or a moderate amount. For example, I answered some of the questions correctly. Few. This means a small amount, but not nothing. For example, only few people attended the meeting. Barely any. This means almost nothing, just a tiny amount. For example, there is barely any sugar left in the jar. Nothing. This means zero, not even a little. For example, I have nothing to say about that.